Welcome back to In Goa News. A surprising twist tonight in the Chodan ferryboat sinking incident. Earlier speculation pointed to a breach in a hole, but that theory has now been ruled out. River Navigation Minister Subhash Phaldesai has revealed a new explanation based on a preliminary finding, and a deeper investigation is now underway. Here's more in this report.
The sudden sinking of a ferryboat at the Chodan jetty had sparked immediate concern and questions. While many believed the vessel had sprung a leak, a preliminary inspection has now confirmed there were no holes or cracks in the hull. Speaking to reporters, River Navigation Minister Subhash Phaldesai said the real cause appears to be a combination of tidal changes and improper mooring. According to him, the ferry was tied during high tide. As the tide receded, the mooring rope loosened, and with no crew on board, the ferry gradually tilted. That tilt proved critical. River water began entering the vessel over the deck, and within hours the ferry boat had sunk. The minister has now ordered a comprehensive inquiry, assigning the captain of Ports Department to investigate all procedural lapses. He also assured that preventive measures will be rolled out to avoid similar incidents at ferry terminals across the state. The sunken ferry has since been retrieved and moved to the River Navigation Department's workshop. Minister Phaldesai said the original budget for the salvage was Rs 20 lakh, but due to the complexity of the 7-day operation and the additional equipment required, the final cost is expected to exceed that amount. So the investigation now turns from a suspected structural failure to possible human or procedural error. The final report from the captain of ports will be key in understanding what went wrong and ensuring Goa's vital ferry network is safeguarded against such costly incidents in the future.
व्हडलेले फेरीचो इन्क्वायरी रिपोर्ट करपा खातीर आमी कॅप्टन ऑफ फोर्साचे दे आर दी ऑथॉरिटी कळ्ळें तांकां इन्क्वायरी करपाक लागतले प्रिलिमिनरी आमी बजेट जजमेंट काडपाक जाय आनी ताजेर उपाययोजना करपाक जाय जे बाकीच्या फेरीक ते घडचे न्ही हाचे खातीर आमी उपाययोजना केल्ली आसा ओनली थिंग इज तो जी ऑथॉरिटी आमकां नेमून दिल्ली आसा ती कॅप्टन ऑफ पोर्ट्स आसा करपाक दिली तांचे कडेन फायल मूव केल्ली आसा आनी ते आता ती फेरी आसा ती घेतलेली आसा ती फेरीक आमी प्रिलिमिनरी पळयलो तेन्ना त्या फेरी भितर खंय बुराक पडलो अशें लोक कितें म्हणटाले खंय सकयल्यान हें जालो होल जालो कचरो जालो तशें कांय जालें ना ती फेरी फक्त टिल्ट जावन एक फावटी उदक दवरलें आसतना एकाच वेळ आमचे एजम्पशन प्रिलिमिनरी जो पळय रिपोर्ट आयिल्लो आसा त्या रिपोर्टाच्या प्रमाणे जेन्ना फेरी हाय टायड आसतना भरून ती वयर उरली आनी ताच्या नंतर उदक जेन्ना देंवलें तेन्ना आमच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांनी ताजेर तितकेच ते लूज करप आसता आनी ताका फेरीक सकयल देंवपाक दिवप आसता ती लूज केल्ले ना जाल्ले कारणान एका सायडीन तो लूज उरलो तो टिल्ट जाले आनी तातूंत भितर उदक भरतकच हें सकयल देंवलें तुम्ही पळयलें जर जाय ती एक सायडीन वयर आशिल्लें आनी दुसरे सायडीन आशिल्लें दिस वॉज द रिजन
सर लोकांचा एक आक्षेप काढपाक
एक्झॅक्टली खबर ना इट इज नॉट इट वॉज समथिंग इनिशियली आमकां 20 lakhs म्हणून सांगिल्लें बट इट वॉज नॉट ऑपरेशन ताच्या नंतर मागीर ते काडपाचो 6-7 दीस ताणें प्रयत्न केलो आनी ताच्या नंतर म्हाका एडिशनल कॉस्ट खबर ना इनिशियली इट वॉज डिसायडेड दॅट 20 lakhs पूण ताच्या नंतर आनी कितें मशिनरी मागोवपाक जाय म्हणून कितें आसतलें